Hey, what's up? So me and my cousin were being idiots out in the snow. That's my cousin.
Oh, hey, look, you can see ice shanties now. You can see.
Oh yeah, what the? It just cleared up. That's freaking strange. Yo, it's freezing as hell out here. We're in the middle of Lake Michigan. Michigan, right?
No, we're in Elk Lake, stupid.
Damn it. Middle of Elk Lake. It's frozen fucking solid. So, walking around like mindless idiots. Shanties all over the place. Oh, damn. It's fucking crazy. Oh. I don't know what the hell we're doing out here. Walking around. Oh, my hand is freezing because I got no glove. Oh, shit. What?
The ice right here is mushy.
Ice right there is mushy. Hopefully it doesn't fucking fall through it.
Take this off the ice.
Oh, what the hell?
It's all.
Ugh. What the hell?
It's gonna hurt like a bitch.
Oh! Ow! Damn it. Oh, that hurt.
You want to plank on the legs?
Sure. Whew. Yeah, let's go for a walk. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get going because it's fucking freezing out here and I have no glove on. So holy damn, I need to put my glove back on anyway. Catch you later. Fuck. Hey, shut up.